While you're seated here, you get the far-reaching unblocked view with excellent depth, giving you a strong sense of openness with plenty of natural light coming through.
Looking for a newly MOP corner 4-room unit that is located in the heart of Singapore, surrounded by amenities and unblocked views? I've got you. Let's go! Welcome to this newly MOP corner unit 4-room HDB in Bidadari. This unit is north-south facing, which means no west sun and great natural ventilation, especially during the monsoon seasons. One of the best part of the unit is its unblocked views across the landed enclaves with a view of the vast sky view. As you step into the unit, you're immediately greeted by the highly flexible layout. With the bomb shelter tucked neatly into the corner, you get maximum freedom to design this space however you want. If you don't need all 3 bedrooms, you can even open up one of the rooms to create a large, squarish living area, perfect for a proper lounge setup, a coffee table, or even an area for kids to play. This layout also enhances privacy as this corner is tucked away in one corner of the unit, protecting your family from unwanted gaze from the main door and opposite block. While you're seated here, you get the far-reaching unblocked view with excellent depth, giving you a strong sense of openness with plenty of natural light coming through. Over at the dining room, there's a clear segregation of space between the living room, the dining area, which is great for families. This space also comfortably fits 6 to 8 seater dining table, perfect for gatherings. But if you do not need such a big area, you can place a smaller table here and build cabinetry in this area for your lifestyle items like coffee machine or display shelves to put your probably 10 grade Pokemon cards or other stuff. This kitchen is where practicality really shines. You're getting a squarish layout which is far more efficient than the typical long corridor style. This gives you proper zone to do your prep, cook, wash and even a dry area without feeling cramped. In addition, being a hybrid kitchen with all these foldable glass panels, you have great flexibility to close it up if you are doing heavy cooking. Storage spaces are also carefully thought out. With these L-shaped top and bottom cabinets, there's more than enough room for all your pots, pans, pressure cookers, and plenty more to be stored here. As for the 2 common rooms, both comes with no built-in cabinetry. This also means no hacking, no extra costs, and more savings. You get full flexibility to design whether you prefer built-ins or those modular furniture. And more importantly, despite the owners having a young kid, the entire unit is still in excellent condition. Master bedroom is where it all really comes together. You've got a functional L-shaped wardrobe, big enough for both partners. And because this is a corner unit, the entire home including the living room and all bedrooms enjoy plenty of natural light. The best part, every room here shares the same unblocked landed and sky view. This is the kind of space you actually look forward to when you're coming home. Both bathrooms are fitted with glass shower screens, so water stays within the shower area, making cleaning much easier. This also keeps the rest of the bathroom dry. Now this is something you don't see often. This unit comes with a massive corridor space, about 25 square meters extra outside your unit. While it's not part of an official floor area, it's still a great bonus space that you can tastefully utilize with minimal foot traffic since it mainly serves this unit. And because of the natural light bouncing off the walls, this corridor feels bright and welcoming, not like the typical corner units. Location-wise, you are fully covered. You have 2 malls, 3 transportation options, 4 supermarkets, and a wide range of eateries and childcare centres. For families, there are multiple primary and secondary schools including Mary Stella, plus a JC. There is even an upcoming polyclinic nearby. So if you are looking for a home with unblocked views, great light and wind, and a high level of privacy at a price point where it all makes sense, best of all, a place where you can move into with minimal needed, this is the one. Message me now and let's arrange for a viewing. Let's go!